They wouldn't let her in down there because poor thing, she's stuck in traffic. And so she's going on toward Abercorn.
It's about that time. Probably it's come from that part of that tree. There's some more of it. It said that trees and bees.
Across the street, it's uninhabitable.
Ooh.
I think that's the house of the kids. Where was he? Well, the office at one time invested into that.
See the tree right there?
Yeah, y'all still need to be careful to see what these trees to be. One just fell over my house, and the one who had a cracked fall.
There's another one uprooted.
Oh, yeah,
Look at that.
This house. Look.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh. The whole back's almost up.
It is, isn't it? Well, not the whole back. The corner.
Like a war zone.
There's another one down on the car.
You know it.
Greg, there's one on the car right there.
Hard in there, Craig. Is everybody okay?
Yeah,
Good.
I think everybody in the neighborhood verified is okay.
We didn't get it so bad at our end.
Yes, sir. I've just gotten off the phone with General Emergency Management.
No power, nothing. So, it's like you see on television, you know, people
Somebody does need a place to stay. They need to call them to make arrangements.
They better be glad they got their country.
How you doing?
That was fell on the house there. Let's go. This one's up here. Look at all these. Get down there. All these are. Oh, there's one.
Got a rope in the truck.
Falling over.
Somebody just go grab the saws, we'll be alright. In the house, right?
Good, how you doing?
Everybody all right?
Nobody was home, thank goodness.
Those people were home down there, though. You see that house?
Yeah, that girl down there was having a fit.
It got busted up pretty good.
Yeah, he's in bad shape. They moving out of that one, I think, aren't they?
I thought they were.
Yeah, they were loading up clothes.
They were bringing guitars and all kinds of stuff.